What was your adversity moment to spring you forward in your career today? Oh, that's heavy, man. Yeah, that's a heavy one. Because unfortunately, it's going to take me back to a story that gets me choked up every single time. My adversity moment was when my wife and I decided that we were going to pursue this dream of trying to make a platform and build something that would be at this level of production to really help other people's lives and to really mean it, deliver it, and pursue it. And when we went broke, chasing this dream, damn, I hate this part. When we went broke, chasing this dream with my son, who's here in studio, but was like 5 years old at the time, had no idea what we were going through to make this happen. And I'm the one that was just like, hey, honey, leave your well-paying job to come and like run this company. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, it's crashing in front of us. It's not happening. And I just think that moment when I really reflect on grabbing change out of the sofa and off the floor and going to a Coinstar machine so I could actually get money to put into my gas for my car so I could try to get to an appointment to try to make something happen. I remember sitting in a parking lot in Starbucks just crying because I didn't want her to see me cry because I felt like as the man, I let my family down. And yeah, so getting through that moment is what really proved to me that if you really have a dream and if you really believe in it and if you're good to people along the way and if you have identified your purpose, it had taught me to strengthen my faith, not only in myself, but also in spirituality, creator, your God, whatever it is for you, but faith. And then it taught me resilience, that if you can hit your rock bottom and you can actually get up from your rock bottom. Everybody's got a different rock bottom. Some are homeless, some just lost their job and they got a cushion. Everything is scaled depending on where you are in your life and what's been happening to you. So this adversity moment was just really, really big. And to be on this stage right now with these beautiful people and the set and the team and the staff and all the partners, y'all don't know how hard people work behind the scenes. You see me as the front, but you don't see what goes on in the hours that people put in to just putting 1,400 words together so that we can make something special to try to impact a life. So to see that whole thing come around, Rashad, that's it, man. That's the moment when we hit our rock bottom. I want everyone else to know you can get back up. And when you do, more than likely, you'll never visit that same rock bottom again.